Babe, your hat glows in the dark. The vinyl that you picked is glow in the dark. What made you want to pixelate this?
I just thought of it. It just popped into my head. I thought about Super Tecmo Bowl.
So you were saying in your mind that Detroit is like in this white space?
Yeah. Yep.
And you want like a pixelated text? Do you want this thicker?
I don't know yet.
Okay, we gotta see it. Let's see if there's any pixelated. What did I say?
Palladied. Palladied.
Wow. Yeah. Pixelated. Ooh.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about.
Alright, so we don't need this. We want it to just be one color.
Yep.
We don't need any effects.
We might need to do some bolding. There is no bolding, is there?
But you can outline it. So like if you make it the same color, you could thicken that boy up.
Right. Ah, okay.
We'll deal with that. Let me just type out the word. Detroit. I just need to move you.
That is fire.
Just a little bit smaller so that it'll fit in here because we want it lined up. Now I'm assuming you want the D to like match that up.
I actually liked where it was, just how it was.
Okay. Not lined up.
Not. I thought lined up, but now that I see it.
You like that? Do you want it touching or do you want it separate?
Let's try separating it just a tad bit.
Okay.
Like let's just pull everything down.
Because the thing you have to remember is you only have so much room on the hat.
Right. But say we make that just smaller, like this black.
This black. Okay.
You know, I brought the yo-yo craze to Detroit when I was in like 6th grade. I had everybody in my whole school playing with yo-yos. I mean, I guess my mom, Judy Ostrowski,
get it, Judy.
She started it by giving me a Yo-Mega yo-yo.
Yo-Mega.
Cool.
Do you want to see it where it's touching, or you like it?
I think
this is it.
I think what I would want to see is it on vinyl.
So what we do is we have to save it. Cricut. Let me see what kind of images it takes.
Likes.
Yeah. So we go to upload. Okay. We have a lot to work with here. I think I'll just do a PNG.
You know, PNG. Yeah, you know me. Just needs to not be called insert.
Why?
Insert 2. Yep, exactly.
Right.
JPEG.
Okay, continue. So
can we like cut off the borders because we're gonna want to do negative space on that?
We just did that. We just removed the background.
Right, but like I envision it being like almost like a patch.
Yeah, so what we're gonna do is we will make a shape. We need a shape in vinyl. We need the patch shape in vinyl. And then we need this cut out of it.
Oh.
So what we need you to do is measure how much space we have on the
cap.
Caparino.
In inches?
Sure. Yes, please.
Centimeters?
Inches is great. Because then what we're going to do is add a shape.
The absolute largest we could do would be like 7 1/4. Let's just go 5 inches.
You hear me though? This is for the shape, the blocking.
Right.
Okay, 5 inches wide.
Yeah.
We can always make more if we don't like how this looks. And then height.
Height, max height. Let's just go 3 inches.
Okay, why is this? You go away. Oh, that's all. It just, okay. So then we're gonna put this on here.
That is.
And then we splice it out.
I kind of liked its size originally.
Okay.
Like center it. Like I think that's a good.
That's it. That's it. Center. Boom. Okay, it's centered. So now we slice. And then we take this away and we take this away. You like it?
I think so.
So then this will be whatever vinyl you choose. So if that's red, if that's blue, if that's black, if that's white. So it'll cut around to give you this shape.
Mm-hmm. I wish it was a little more pixelated, but I can live with it.
It's tough in this scale.
Right, if we were doing a t-shirt.
Yeah, right.
Well, we'll have to do a t-shirt.
Yeah, sure.
Cool. Is that good enough?
Oh yeah, that's great. Especially with the leeway that I gave you. Okay. So now you load it up like you did before. You want to put it under those ridges, yep. And then when it's loaded up...
Do we hit continue over here?
Yeah. Get it in this light. There's the line. And we gave ourselves about 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches on the top that you want to remove, because then this kind of becomes the sticker, so that when you push this white, when you iron this white onto the material, this helps it stay in place.
Upon the completion of this hat project, there were a few things we learned. And most of the learning centered around doing the iron-on onto a hat. One, we did not know about heat transfer tape, where you could tape down the image, you can iron over the heat-resistant tape. And that would have helped us a lot. Two, we would have worn a silicone glove so that we could have put our hand behind the hat to have good contact while we were doing the heat transfer process. We also would have started at the middle of the image to tack that down first and then move outside. And finally, we would have probably used a slightly smaller patch because of the way hats are shaped and the fact that we have this big rectangle. It would have been easier to completely transfer the image to the hat without any blemishes. Because if you look closely, if you want to look this closely, there are some blemishes. But we did buy 2 more hats, and we're going to try again, at least 2 more times. And if you want to do that, we'll have the link below for the hats that we bought off of Amazon, and we can even link the vinyl. All the answers.
What? Why did it move on me like that? I'm not happy about that. Let me see. What did this get called? Insert. I do not love that. Why did you do that, though? Like, what? Canva, I need you to come through.
Can we
try this? Why?
Okay, so
let's move it up.
Yeah.
But that is
bogus.
Dumb. Because now I'm going to save it and it's going to come up to where it's touching the top. You know that?
We'll see.
Here we go.
That is
we found a way.
Ticket.
I don't like the way that one is looking, though.
Multiple layers looks better. What's up with that?
Yeah.
What's the flat graphic?
So this is typically like for your sublimation. I'm going to try multiple layer, I guess.
Oh, because it has 2 layers because of the gray.
Yeah, but...
Oh, well, let's go back and see single layer and preview it, because that looks different than...
You were saying?
I don't know.
There's no separation.
Yeah.
We don't want that.
Should we go back and adjust it some?
No. No.
Okay.
We'll just have the black.
Why does it do that?
What? Yeah. That's fine. It's fine. We'll just upload it like this.
So, there you go. That's what we learned. We're going to do it again. Talk to you later.